simplify the square root of 24xy to the fourth. Now, if you already know how to do this, you might not like how I'm going to do it, but I'm teaching it for people who aren't quite sure what to do. So I am actually going to break this up into 1, 2, 3 square root problems. When you have things that are multiplied together underneath one radical sign, they started out, or they could have started out, as 3 that were multiplied together. Like that. Even though my 4 looks like a y. Very strange. All right, now from here, I'm going to simplify each part, and I may end up putting things back together again. 24. Now, I'm not going to do a complete prime factorization tree. You may have seen those before. Just think of all the ways you can make a 24 by multiplying. So it could be 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, and right here, my bells and whistles are going off because 4 is a perfect square. So I am going to break this into 4 times 6 times the square root of x times, well, what's going on with y to the fourth? Well, that is 4 y's being multiplied together, right? Well, if you regroup them, you have y squared times y squared. So y squared times y squared. Now break these up. I'm not using any mental math. I'm writing it all down. Square root of 4 times the square root of 6 times the square root of x times the square root of y squared times the square root of y squared. Most people are going to do a lot of this in their head. I'm writing it out so you can understand the concepts here. This square root of 4 is 2. 6 is not a perfect square. It stays the same. X is not a perfect square. It stays the same. The square root of y squared is just y. And again, now we're at our answer. We have 2y, so that's 2y squared outside of the square roots. And on the inside, we have 6x because we just multiply those two back together because they couldn't clear the square root sign. And that is the simplified version of that. Now try this problem. Hey, if you got some value out of this, it would help me out a lot if you would like and subscribe so this channel can grow on YouTube. Thank you.